Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Def from Sneaky here, and today we're going to show you how to install our crease protectors. Those who haven't seen it before, these are our crease protectors. You get 2 pairs per box, and we're going to show you how that works right here with these corals. So in every box, we have 2 pairs of protectors, 1, 2, and you're going to use 1 pair per shoe, obviously. Take it out the plastic. Now these are a size large. You're going to unlace the shoes a bit, so you can get some room so you can put your hands in there. I'm going to put this one to the side. So here you see that the shoes get creased easily without the extra protection on the inside. We're going to take the left side of the crease protector. We're going to insert it in there. Now the way these are designed is they're super thin and they are installed under the toe box of the shoe and on the side liner of the shoe, meaning that when you put your feet in there, you don't feel the protector. It's supposed to be used with the shoe. You don't take it off to put it on. And now look at the difference. See? So let's put that side by side with the other shoe we have here. See the difference? How this one bends all the way through and this one is solid and hard and reinforced. I'm going to go ahead and install this one in anyway so you can see how that works. Again, super soft, bendy, not what we're looking for. So we're going to install this one in here for this customer. Reinforce the toe box. Let's lace those up. There you go. All around, it just makes the shoe look better. You have that reinforced plastic on the inside, which is super thin, so it doesn't affect your feet when you wear it, and it just makes your shoe last longer. It makes your shoe look better. So, Crease Protectors by Sneaky Clean. You can get that on our website or on our Instagram page. Check it out.